From Gwanagsan, Anyang. We will go now to the top of this mountain to Mangheam. This is an old pagoda from where you have a beautiful view over Anyang, and it must be so beautiful here during summer and spring, of course. Also, you have here the Korean mountains. You have this little river who flows across this forest, and it's so peaceful and quiet. It's still a little bit early, so the nature has not woken up yet, but it's ongoing. Oh, let's go. We are now halfway through the trek, and we already have a beautiful view over some parts of Anyang. Do you see the temple here in the mountain? Let's zoom in. Ah, look at this view. Now we are relatively high, and the view is getting better and better from every meter we climb up. So the view is getting better and better, but also the hike, it's getting harder and harder. It's the first time that I climb so high, and it's a really stunning experience. What is K-pop against that? Nothing. So if you come to Korea, it's really about the hiking, not about this music who no one listens in Korea really. It's about the nature, about the people, about the hike. Holy shit. We're still not at the top. We are asking if this is the right way, but it seems like. Now it's getting freezing cold, and it's good that I have brought with me the other jacket. Wow. Do you see this temple in the mountains? We'll also once go there. Also above this one, there's another one. I wonder how you get up there. There must be a way. There must be a way. Ooh. Let's go. Guys, look at that. We nearly have managed it to the top of this mountain. Oh, let's go. Last meters. Oh. Every time when somebody thinks it's finished, it's not. We cannot enter this area here, so we must hike round across it. Oh. Let's go. We have finally beaten Gwanagsan, my first mountain in Korea, my first stop in Korea. I'm so happy. The view is beautiful, but I need to still find a location where I can take some pictures and yes, and enjoy the moment. Oh. But I think we don't have much time left because the sun is going down slowly, and I don't want to be here when it's dark. If you look closely to the horizon, you can see the city of Incheon, and right next to Incheon is the sea. I didn't knew that Anyang was not very far away from the sea, but I never saw Anyang and Incheon and the sea at the same time. It's stunning. We are now going down. I'm a little bit nervous about that, but I hope I can manage it. It seems we have some dogs in front of us. I wonder what this here is. Before we go there, I want to show you something. Here you can see the rest of Anyang. Let's see where we live. Do you see this hospital there? We live in this area. And at the horizon you can see Gumpo, where a good friend of my wife lives. And we go there often to visit her and her little clothing store. Also from here, stunning view. And many rocks, which you can rest, eat something during your hike, and then go down. We are walking through the woods, and what is that? Just a street? This explains why so many people come up here the easy way. It's nothing but cheating. We have a temple in front of us, which we will explore. But first, let's reach this platform. Ooh, I really need a gimbal here. Oh, it's huge. Oh, they need to renew that. What a stunning and beautiful sky right now. Now you can have the sun, Europe. So, we went from there to here. Wow, time to use the camera. We are now in front of the temple, but what's that? A fence. So disappointing. But we will not go down the easy way. We will hike it down. I was so happy to take some pictures from this temple, where you can see the whole of Anyang, but it seems to be really not possible today to do that. And I asked myself, this is even prohibited maybe to go there to take pictures. Such a mess, so sad. But I hope that you stay with me and that you enjoy this trip. Funny to see Anyang from here. We live in this quarter of Anyang near Anyang Yok. This means Anyang Station. And we take nearly every day a walk till this river here. It seems so familiar, but at the same time not. Koreans who walk through the mountains leave the stones as a prayer. I wonder if this helps. So many of them. Ah, what's that? It seems like an entrance. Maybe, just maybe we can go. Ah, this would be really a highlight of today. Because there is a balcony, and I saw it many times while we were walking through Anyang. And I always wanted to go to this balcony, always, to take some pictures. If this is possible today, I will be a very, very happy man. Or just go there, but not as funny as to go to this balcony. Even a little prayer here. And so many prayers in front of these hangaris. Koreans use them to store kimchi rice, or they did it back in the Joseon days to keep them fresh. And still today, the Koreans love them and they are beautiful made. Oh, we have a monk walking around. Let's follow him. It's so great to be finally here in person. No, it's closed, I cannot believe it. Oh, I need to go there fast because maybe we can photograph at the dusk. Whoa. Please, son, wait. We nearly slipped. Oh. No, the sun is away. I cannot believe it. No, 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 no. The sun was visible a minute ago, maybe 30 seconds ago, so beautiful, and now it looks like that. Time to sit down, just to relax 5 minutes and then let's go home. Cannot believe it, the sun was 30 seconds ago there and now she's away. Just what's left is trace in the sky. What a day. But at least we can enjoy the view over Anyang, over the place I can call proudly my home in Korea. And I think it's such a beautiful city. So near to Seoul, you have all these mountains, so much nature, and so many great and friendly people. It will not be the last time that I went here, so next time we will have the chance to catch the sun. For the people who ask, from the beginning of my photography in 2019, when I got my first camera since 10 years, I bought this Nikon D800 camera with a battery grip and a 24 to 70mm 2.8 objective. This lens is now at home because for sceneries like that, I love to use the 70 to 200mm 2.8. It's a great combination and you can take stunning pictures with it. Also with a Coolman tripod made of carbon for lightweight, and also because this lens is so heavy, a ball head from Siriu. You can also see now the subway arriving from Seoul straight to Anyang. And many people who come now to enjoy their evening after work. It was worth it to go to Mangahyam. Let's see where we will hike next week. I plan to do that every weekend to keep myself fit as as much as possible, of course. So, time to go home.